Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is MEKNEX and today I'm going to be taking you guys through making crochet braid hair. Please stay tuned because it promises to be amazing. So first you will have to cut your attachment, extension, canonicula hair, anything you call it, and then you fish it just the way I'm doing now. When you finish fishing it, the easiest way to comb and not have too much waste is by separating the hair first, just like this. So you separate in bits. After separating, combing becomes easier. When you're done combing the hair, you get a seat and then or anything you can just tie it through. Then I'm using this charger. It's an old charger, so I'll cut out this point so that when I finish making my crochet on it, I can pull it out. So I'm just going to tie it around this seat and then get the size I want to braid. If you want to make this crochet bigger, then you get a bigger size. But making a big crochet for braids, it's really painful when you pass it through your hair while crocheting. So making a slimmer size fits better. So now I'm just going to take it through this place. And the first thing I will do is start rolling the bottom for a twist. So instead of just starting with braids, I'm going to twist first. And why I'm rolling it is so that I can have smooth crochet hole. So now I'm just going to twist about 3 or 4 times and then I will continue braiding. So when I'm done twisting, I'm going to separate the hair into 3 and start braiding. And then I'm going to braid all the way to the length I want. So I'm going to leave about this length. I'm not going to braid that. So this is what it looks like before coiling. So I'm going to use my coiling rod, take about 5 pieces and coil. I actually made the whole of this hair outside. I had wire, normal electric wire tied out, and this is how it looks. outside. So when you're done coiling, the next step is to dip in hot water. You can add a little conditioner or relaxer to this while dipping in hot water. It will really help with the frizz. When you're done, you just let it dry. Please let it dry, because if you open it without drying, it's just not going to come out fine. And then I'm sorry guys about my voice. I'm really down, just trying to be strong so I can upload this video on Wednesdays. So guys, this is the reason why I had to twist first before braiding, because it's going to help the crochet hole. You can twist it tighter, or it's just going to help it, and it looks really good. This is the finished product. The finished goods, the finished stage, just the finishing, and it's so fine. So the braid pattern I used for this hair is this, but it did not come out well because the braids are just too big. So next time I'm not going to braid it this big again. I'm just going to reduce and make it tinier. But though I still used it this way and it came out okay, but this braid pattern really stressed me. So guys, this is the finishing of this hair. So fine, shiny. The color self is wonderful. All right guys, thank you so much for watching. Thank you for watching. Thank you for subscribing, and please don't forget to like, comment on this video. It will really help me grow. Bye.